Integrals exercise 7.6. Integration by using integration by parts. So UV rule. First one is integral x sin x. So x sin x dx is integral x. X is the algebraic function and sin x is trigonometric function. So x is f and sin x is g. So by using the product rule, x into integral sin x dx minus dy dx of x is 1, integration of sin x is minus cos x all dx. So minus x cos x, integration of sin x is minus cos x, minus minus plus, integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Next, second one is integral x sin 3x dx. Same. So x is f of x and sin 3x is g of x. So x into integral sin 3x dx minus derivative of x is 1. Integration of sin 3x is minus cos 3x by 3 all dx. Minus x cos 3x by 3 minus minus plus 1 by 3 into again integration of cos 3x is sin 3x by 3 plus some integration constant c. Third one, integral x square e power x dx. So x square is algebra and e power x is exponential function. So x square is f of x. So x square into integral e power x dx minus derivative of x square is 2x. Integration of e power x is e power x dx. So this is the x square into integral e power x is e power x minus 2 into x e power x is again UV rule. So x into integral e power x dx minus derivative of x is 1. Integration of e power x is e power x dx. So it is equals to x square e power x minus 2x into integral of e power x is e power x minus into minus plus integral of e power x is e power x plus some constant c. So by taking e power x common, x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. So x square means you have to do integration by parts 2 times. Integral x sin inverse x dx. So you take sin inverse x equals to theta, so that x equals to sin theta, dx equals to cos theta d theta. Substitution. X sin theta, sin inverse x theta, dx cos theta d theta. So multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Theta 2 sin theta cos theta you can write sin 2 theta d theta. So 1 by 2 into UV rule. Theta into integral sin 2 theta d theta minus derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 and integration of sin 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta by 2 whole d theta. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into theta into minus cos 2 theta by 2. Integration of sin 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta by 2. Minus minus plus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta again integration is sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. So this is equals to 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into theta. Cos 2 theta you have to write x equal to sin theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8 into sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta plus c. So minus we multiply inside the bracket. So 2 sin square theta is x square minus 1 into theta is sin inverse x by 4 plus 1 by 4 into sin theta is x, cos theta is root 1 minus sin square theta, so root 1 minus x square plus c. So this is the integration of x sin inverse x. This is seventh problem, x sin inverse x. Fourth one, integral x log x dx. So x is algebra, log x is logarithmic function. I let so this is g, this is f. So log x into integral x dx minus derivative of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x dx is x square by 2 whole dx. So x square by 2, integration of x dx is x square by 2 log x minus xx will cancel. 1 by 2 into again integration of x is x square by 2 plus 6. Next one also same, integral x log to x. So log to x into integral x dx minus derivative of log to x is 1 by x into integration of x dx is x square by 2 dx. Log to 2x into integration of x dx is x square by 2 minus xx will cancel x square by 2 by 2 x square by 4 plus 6. X square log x dx. Then log x into integration of x square dx minus derivative of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x square is x cubed by 3 dx. So log x into x cubed by 3 minus 1 x will cancel x square. Again integration of x square is x cubed by 3 by 3 by 3 by 9 plus c. Integral x tan inverse x dx. So inverse trigonometry first, tan inverse x is f, this is g. X dx minus derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square and integration of x dx is x square by 2 whole dx. So x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into denominator 1 plus x square, numerator is x square. So plus 1 minus 1. X square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into by splitting we get 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into 1 dx is x minus minus plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus 3. Integral x cos inverse x dx. Same like x sin inverse x. So you take cos inverse x equals to theta, so that x equals to cos theta, dx equals to minus sin theta d theta. So x cos theta, cos inverse x is theta, dx is minus sin theta d theta. So we can write the same minus 1 by 2 outside theta into 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta d theta. So minus 1 by 2 into UV rule. Theta into integration of sin 2 theta d theta minus derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 sin 2 theta integration is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 whole d theta. minus 1 by 2 theta sin 2 theta integration is minus cos 2 theta by 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2 into integration of cos 2 theta is again sin 2 theta by 2 plus minus minus plus you can take 1 by 4 outside theta cos 2 theta. So theta into cos 2 theta you have to write here 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus sin 2 theta by 2. Sin 2 theta by 2 is sin theta cos theta plus so 1 by 4 into 2x square minus 1 into theta. Theta is cos inverse x minus sin theta is root 1 minus x square cos theta is x plus just by taking minus common from the bracket multiply minus inside the bracket. Integral sin inverse x whole square dx. Same you take sin inverse x equals to theta, x equals to sin theta d theta. For it, sin theta, dx equals to cos theta d theta. So this is the integral theta square dx is cos theta d theta. So theta square into integration of cos theta d theta minus derivative of theta square is 2 theta. Cos theta integration is sin theta d theta. Theta square sin theta minus 2 into theta sin theta again you will rule. Theta into integration of sin theta d theta minus integration of theta with respect to theta is 1. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. The integration of sin theta is minus cos theta d theta. So it is equals to theta square sin theta minus 2 theta minus minus plus integration of sin theta is cos theta minus into minus plus minus 2 into cos theta is sin theta plus c. So theta square is sin theta is x. This is sin inverse x whole square plus 2 theta. Cos theta is root 1 minus x square and theta is sin inverse x minus 2 into sin theta is x plus c. Next 11th one, integral x cos inverse x by root 1 minus x square dx. So cos inverse x equals to theta. So 1 by root 1 minus x square dx equals to d theta and x equals to cos theta. So cos inverse x is theta, x is cos theta, dx by root 1 minus x square is d theta. So you will rule theta into integration of cos theta is sin theta minus derivative of theta is 1 integration of cos theta is sin theta d theta. Theta sin theta minus minus plus cos theta plus theta. What is theta? Cos inverse x. So sin inverse sin theta is root 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x plus cos theta is x plus c. Integral x secant square x dx. X is the algebraic function, so x into integral secant square x dx minus derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Integration of secant square x is tan x dx. So x tan x minus integration of tan x is log mod of secant x plus c. Integration of tan inverse x dx. So we have to write this one as tan inverse x into 1 dx. So 1 is algebraic function. So tan inverse x is inverse first term. 1 dx minus derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 dx is x for dx. So this is x tan inverse x minus multiply with 2 and divide with 2. 2x by 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square derivative 2x. So this is f dash of x by f of x. So we can write log mod f of x. So log mod 1 plus x square plus 3, or you can take 1 plus x square equal to 3 substitution. Next, integral x into log x whole square. So log x whole square into integral x dx minus derivative of log x whole square is 2 log x, and the log x derivative is 1 by x. Integration of x dx is x square by 2 whole dx. So x square by 2 into log x whole square minus 2 will cancel, log x 1x will cancel. So x log x. X log x means again you will rule. Log x is first term. So integral x dx minus derivative of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x dx is x square by 2 whole dx. X square into log x whole square by 2 minus log x. Integration of x dx is x square by 2 log x minus minus plus 1 x will cancel. Again x dx is x square by 2 by 2 x square by 4 plus 1. See. Integral x square plus 1 into log x dx. X square plus 1 is the algebraic function and log x is logarithmic function. So log x is f of x. So log x into integral x square plus 1 dx minus derivative of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x square plus 1 is x cube by 3 plus x dx. So it is equals to x cube by 3 plus 1 dx dx into log x minus 1 x will cancel, x square by 3 plus 1 dx. So x cube by 3 plus x into log x is minus x cube by 3, so by 3 by 9 plus 1 dx is x plus 6. Integral e power x into sin x plus cos x. We have one formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equals to e power x into f of x plus c. So here f of x equals to sin x, and our sin x derivative is cos x. So this is also in the form of f of x plus f dash of x. So answer is e power x into sin x plus c. Integral x e power x by 1 plus x whole square. So we write this one as e power x into numerator, we add 1 and subtract 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx. So by splitting, integral e power x into x plus 1 by 1 plus x whole square is 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx. Same formula, f of x equals to 1 by 1 plus x, f dash of x equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So answer is e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Integral e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. So integral e power x into 1 by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So integral e power x into 2 will cancel, cos will cancel, sin by cos is tan x by 2, and 1 by 2 into 1 by cos square is secant square x by 2 dx. Here f of x is tan x by 2, and tan x by 2 derivative is secant square x by 2 into x by 2 derivative 1 by 2. So this is second one. So answer is e power x into f of x. So e power x into tan x by 2 plus e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. Directly here f of x is 1 by x and its derivative minus 1 by x square. So answer is e power x into 1 by x plus 1. Integral e power x into x minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube. So integral e power x into split this one x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. E power x into this is 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by plus 1 minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube dx. Here f of x is 1 by x minus 1 whole square and its derivative f dash of x is x power minus 2, so minus 2 by x cube, so minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. So answer is e power x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 1. Let's see. Integral e power 2x into sin x dx. So we let it be I. So I let see first, so this is f and this is g. Otherwise you can take in the reverse order also, no problem. We had the same answer. So sin x in because both functions have integration. So integral e power x 2x dx minus derivative of sin x is cos x. Integral e power 2x is e power 2x by 2 dx. Sin x into e power 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 outside again easy rule. Cos x into integral e power 2x dx minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x e power 2x by 2 whole dx. So e power 2x sin x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos x into integral e power 2x is e power 2x by 2 minus minus minus, so minus 1 by 4 into integral e power 2x sin x. It is nothing but I plus some constant c1. This is also I. Take I return to this side, 1 plus 1 by 4 is 5 by 4 I and e power 2x by 4 common. So that here you will get first term 2 sin x minus cos x plus some constant c1. So take 5 by 4 to this side, so it will become 4 by 5. So 4 will cancel. E power 2x by 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c1 into 4 by 5. So you write one constant c. Integral sin inverse 2x by 1 minus 1 plus x square dx. Take x equals to tan theta. So dx equals to tan theta derivative secant square theta d theta. And sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is 1. Sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sine inverse 1, 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta is sine 2 theta. So 2 theta. So substitute here, sin inverse 2x plus x square is 2 theta, dx is secant square theta d theta. So EV rule, theta into integral secant square theta d theta minus derivative of theta is 1. Secant square theta is tan theta d theta. 2 into theta tan theta minus log mod secant theta plus 60. X equal to tan theta, secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So this is 1 plus x square. So secant theta is root 1 plus x square. 2 into theta, tan inverse x. So tan theta is x. So x tan inverse x minus log mod secant theta is 1 plus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus some constant c. So multiply 2x inside, 2x tan inverse x, 2 and 1 by 2 will cancel. So minus log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Integral x square e power x cube dx. We take x cube equals to t, x square dx equals to dt by 3. So 1 by 3 e power t dt. 1 by 3 e power t integration of e power t, t is x cube plus e power x into secant x is multiply inside, secant x plus secant x tan x dx. So here f of x is secant x and its secant x derivative is secant x tan x. So by using the formula integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x equals to f of x, e power x into f of x plus c. We get the answer is e power x into secant x plus